Genius ways to make kids love reading. Start early. Introducing children to books and reading at a young age can help establish a love of reading early on. Reading to infants and toddlers can help them develop language skills and a love of books. Set aside time for reading. Make reading a regular part of your child's routine by setting aside dedicated time for reading every day. This can be before bedtime, after dinner, or any other time that works for your family. Create a cozy reading nook. Designate a special space in your home for reading and make it as comfortable and inviting as possible. This can be a corner of a room with a cozy chair, a blanket, and plenty of books. Encourage reading aloud. Reading aloud to children can help them develop their language skills and improve their comprehension. It can also be a great bonding activity for families. Let kids choose their own books. Giving children the freedom to choose their own books can help them find topics and genres that they are truly interested in. This can make reading more enjoyable and engaging for them. Use technology to your advantage. There are many digital resources available that can make reading more interactive and engaging for kids. For example, there are many online books with interactive elements, such as games and puzzles, that can make reading more fun. Make reading a social activity. Encourage your child to discuss what they are reading with friends, siblings, or other family members. This can help them develop their critical thinking skills and make reading a more social and interactive experience. If you have any other great ideas, please share them in the comments section.